Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Angular CLI and how to create your first project. So the first step is to install Node.js, which can be found at nodejs.org, and download one of these. I recommend the one that says recommended for most users. The next step you want to do is check if it has installed correctly. You go to command prompt and then you say node version. Here you can see I have the 12.803, so you know it's installed correctly. Alright, the next step is to install the Angular CLI. You can do this by typing in npm install -g at angular /CLI and press enter. I won't press enter because I have installed it previously, but just press enter and wait a few minutes for it to install. Okay. After it has been installed, you can check the version by typing in ng version, and there you will see I have a 10.0.8 version, and there it shows the node version as well. Okay, you know Angular CLI is installed correctly. Now we can create the application. You can create the application by going to the command prompt, and then you must go into the directory you want the application to be. I will make the application on the desktop, so cd desktop and enter. I'm now at the desktop, and I will say ng new and your project name. Mine will be project name, and you press enter. This will see if you want Angular routing. For now we're going to say yes, and here's your style sheet. You can use CSS, SAS, whatever you want. We are going to use CSS in this tutorial to install Angular, and just let it install the packages. This will also take a few minutes. Okay, and here you can see it has been installed successfully. Now you must get a text editor. I recommend getting Visual Studio Code. This is one I prefer, but there is a lot other text editors like Atom or Notepad++, but I prefer Visual Studio Code, which you can get at code.visualstudio.com/download. I will provide a link in the description below. But here you can see you can get it for all operating systems: Windows, Linux, Mac, whatever you want. So here you can see that the project was created on the desktop. Now we go to Visual Studio Code, and you file, open folder, and you go to your desktop, and you get your project name, and you select the folder. And here you will see you've got the E2E and all the modules. I will show you. Go to source, app, and here you've got all your app components, your CSS, HTML. Here you can see all the HTML that's provided for you. Let me show you how to serve the project. Go to go to your terminal, where I've just the project name and then source, and then just say ng serve. This will compile the application and provide a URL you can look at the HTML. Alright, you can see it has compiled successfully. Just click on the link it's given you, and here you can see your project. Yeah. Then you can you can erase all of this, and let's just type in hello world. And save it and go back to your browser, and here you can see hello world. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it helped, and good luck.